today I have the Shimano ACERA M291 Rear derailleur. It's a little bit lower ended than the derailleurs I usually work on. However, I need to clean this one. I also noticed that the rear jockey wheel has been replaced by a larger toothed jockey wheel and is not the right dimensions. It's actually smaller and thinner, probably made for a 9-speed chain. So I need to find a replacement for that if I have one. I also noticed that on this derailleur there is no way to access this part here, which usually can be undone. So this one should be quite quick to disassemble and clean and reassemble. So let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is remove the jockey wheel bolts. These are really bolts and not the usual Allen key bolts that you have. So we do this like so. Okay, that's undone. Put that to the side. Barrel adjuster. Put that to the side. I think I'll just take off the anchor bolt to facilitate the cleaning. Put that to the side. So we're going to undo this clip here on the back. There you go. Now I'm going to take off this tension screw. However, oh, that's already come off. Finished doing this. So this is just popped off here already. So you just simply take it off. The seal's there. Take out the spring. One yet. Okay, so on the top spring here, you see it's a little bit more inverted on this part. So that will be the top part of this derailleur. Take out the pivot bolt. I think I'm going to take off these limit screws as well. And we're set. Right, so now there is just the case of cleaning the derailleur fully, and we are complete. So I've given everything a clean. I tried to remove some of the rust that was on the back cage plate. However, it's just the anodized metal has completely worn off and now it's just rusted. Let's put everything back together now. I'm going to put some Teflon grease onto the surfaces. You could use a lithium based grease, although it's not advised to use on plastic and therefore not very good for the seals. I think any grease is better than no grease. So the smaller inverted part of the spring will go on the top, so we're going to just slip that back in. So here there's also a seal. I'm just going to cover that lightly with a bit of lubricant and pop that over into place. So now we're going to put the plate that's here at the back. Okay, so now we put the back cage plate. I just remembered you need to put the pivot bolt, obviously, because it holds the clip. So I'm going to put a small amount of Teflon on that. Okay, so that's good now. So I'm pushing down. Maybe it's not the best angle I'm doing this on, but we'll see if this works. Okay, so it's now latched onto that part of metal here. Hold this down. Normally you should be able to do this with your fingers. Now we're going to put the clip into its place. Oh, you don't even need to put any, hold on. Okay, so the clip on this derailleur went on really easily, and I don't like that because it doesn't seem to really hold in place. I guess it's the difference between the cheaper Shimano stuff and the entry and higher level groups. I'm going to try and bend it so that way when I push onto it, it's going to latch much better. Okay. Up. Okay, so that's now in the right position. Now we've done that, I found some narrow jockey wheels to put into this one instead of the mismatched ones that were on there before. So now we're going to just put back all the screws. So here on the top you've got the anchor bolt. Okay, it's nice and tight. I'm going to put the jockey wheels. So the G pulley jockey wheel goes on this side and the regular one goes towards this side. So now I'm going to put that on the top, stick this one in, up. Once that's fully tightened, I'm going to see if this works. Okay, it works. So don't fully tighten it, so that way this holds now. It'll be much easier for you to put the other one on. Using the number 8 for this, we're going to tighten this up. Right, and the last part for the finale is the tension screw. 10 minutes I think, trying to get this screw to go in at this weird angle that's been done. I finally managed to get it in. So all in all, finished. I hope this video helped you to service your Shimano ACERA derailleur. Thank you for listening and peace out.